Out this really cool backpack from Lapsanu, and it's got a lot of cool features. First off, it can listen to your devices through it. So it's got pass-throughs for USB devices, for headphones. You've got a USB port on the side, so that's kind of cool. We'll take a look at that on the inside. Got pockets on both sides for water bottles or shoes or something like that. You've got compression straps on both sides. Then you've got pockets, right? So let's start from the outside. Quick pocket here, no organization, just down and dirty. Quick outside pocket, always handy. Now you have your organization pocket. Inside the big pouches, the first one, more organization, a little tether for keys. Then we have the major compartment. There's a giant handle here that's padded, and you find the zipper for this one. This is nice because you can see it opens completely, and it opens with the front down deep. Look how deep that gets. You've got compression straps that are elastic here, and there's that USB cord so you can plug into a bank or a charger. You've got a pocket in the back here with secure for a laptop. Now if we come around to the back, we've got the backpack straps. We've got a kind of a hidden waist pocket in here. And then we have a strap here, so if you're going to carry it with carry-on luggage or with other luggage, you can put it on the handle. It's the right size for carry-on. It's great for a backpack for a school or for travel, and it's great in the car. Looks good, has lots of cool features. I hope I showed them all off. That's why I bought this bag. Hope this helps.